Good afternoon, everybody. This is the Balloon Bandit of Amusement with a Twist, Orlando. And today is Thursday, so we are actually going to start another balloon twisting video. It was supposed to be a Throwback Thursday, but we're getting ready to do Bubble Guppies on Monday. And so this one's kind of related to it, but it's not. So we're going to do the Little Mermaid. This one is simple in design versus the tail of the Bubble Guppies, which is a little different. You could use the tail if you wanted. So we're going to make that tail and make the one that I make normally. And you can pick and choose which ones you like. You're going to need red for the hair. You're going to need blush for the body. You're going to need the lilac for her top. And dark green for the tail. So let's get started. We're going to blow up a red balloon, 5 to 7 off the nipple, like always. So we got 5 to 7 off the nipple. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to tie it off. If you can't blow it up by mouth, bring out your balloon pumps. Remember to stretch out your balloons, or soften them as it's called. Okay, we're going to go with open hand size petal twist, which is approximately 6 fingers in size, 6 to 7 fingers, followed by a open hand size bubble, which is approximately 6 to 7 fingers, followed by an ear twist, which is approximately 2-finger bubble. So it's approximately a 2-finger bubble. And twist that. Pull out while twisting that. Okay, next what you want to do is you want to come up the body of your balloon and twist it at the neck. Okay, next what we want to do is we want to add an ear twist right here. So it's approximately 2-finger bubble inside. 2-finger inside. And twist it by pulling out on it. Okay, next what we want to do is we want to squeeze out our balloon so that we can kind of like add to all the way to the end. So basically now what we want to do is we want to make a bubble that wraps right at that ear twist. And that is her hair. And then again, if you squish it out, you can actually get it to circumference the whole end of the balloon. Or circumvent, sorry. Next what you want is you want your blush balloon. With this one, you can go 14 or more off the nipple. That's your choice, because once you finish, but I always do 5 to 7 off the nipple. And we're going to squeeze it down like normal. We're going to take our hair and our blush balloon. And as you can see, I'm taking the nozzle in and wrapping it right around. And then I'm going to bring her head right around by spinning the blush balloon. And then we're going to go down the face of the design, and we're going to twist it, and then rotate it right in. Just keep twisting the balloon right in there. Okay? Next, what we need to do is we need to create her hands. So her hands are approximately 7-finger bubble, followed by a 2-finger bubble, which is going to be an ear twist. Now, you don't have to make these into ear twists. You can actually do a bubble chain. You can go double bubble, this one, then the next one, and then come down. You know, so it's your choice. You can do it this way, like that, or you can turn them into ear twists. That's up to you. We're just going to leave it this way for this design. Okay, that's what we want to do is we want to make a same size bubble. And then just wrap it around. And again, we're just rolling the balloon. Okay. Now we have the head and the upper part of our body for our mermaid. Next, what we want to do is we want to make her body the same size as her arms. If you make it a little longer, that's fine. But right at the size of our arms is more than sufficient. And then we're just breaking off the extra. So break out your scissors if you need be. Okay. And so now you have what looks like this. Okay. Next what we need to do is we need to break out our next balloon. I guess I dropped them in the floor, hang on. I have way too much fun sometimes. Okay, next what we need is we need a tail for our design. So it's 5 to 7 off the nipple, like always. Squeeze down our balloon. We're going to start out with a hand-sized petal twist, followed by a hand-sized petal twist. And you should have what looks like this. Followed by an ear twist, which is approximately 2 fingers in size. And we're pulling out on it while rotating. And then by positioning your ear twist in the upper corner of it, it makes your tail stand. Okay? Next what we want to do, that was fun. Okay, next what we want to do is start again. Okay, so we'll pull out another agreement. And we'll recreate those pieces. So we're going to go hand side petal twist. Hand side petal twist. 2-finger bubble. Turn it into an ear twist. Positioned in the upward fashion so that it gives it an arch so that she'll be able to stand. Okay, next what we want to do is we want to take our bubble and align it with our body. Our tail is as long as our body. Okay, followed by a 2-finger bubble turned into an ear twist. Followed by a 2-finger bubble and another ear twist. If you can make the double ear twist, it's 2 2-finger bubbles twisted together, then take the knot or the rest of the balloon and then just split it in half, okay? And this is the tail for our little mermaid. Okay, and as you saw, I rotated her around the knot. So basically what we're doing is we're just pulling her body in tight so this balloon gets tighter and then it holds better so that she's not all floppy in the design. We'll turn the tail like so. Okay, and we have one last piece for this balloon. And this is a simple design. Anybody can make this one. And with this one, we don't need a lot. So you can blow it up to about 4 fingers in length. So if we blow it up 4 fingers in length and we break it off, you could actually use a piece of scrap if you use scrap balloon. And then break off the rest. Okay? Make sure that you left yourself a little bit of tail on there. Mine is approximately 3 fingers in length for my extra. Okay, and then what we want to do is we want to split that into 2 bubbles, equal in size preferably. Okay, and then we're just going to take this and we're going to attach it to our mermaid right around her chest area. If it rolls down, you can always roll it back up and just put a knot on there just like so. So, as you can see, it's down a little too low, and we need to bring it up. Okay, and with that said, we just tuck it through her arms. Okay. With that said, you have one little mermaid. And if you want, you can bend over the front of her hair so that it looks like it's curling down. Okay, simple, easy design to make. It's a mermaid. Okay, the tail that we're going to be doing in Monday's video is a little different. Okay. In Monday's video, it's going to be open hand side bubble, followed by approximately a 4-finger bubble, followed by approximately a 2-finger bubble, followed by approximately a 2-finger bubble, followed by a 4-finger bubble. And then once you have this, what you got to do is you got to rotate it so that both of your tail fins are together. Okay. Once you have that part, next what you want to do is you want to come up the body and do a lock twist. So it's a double bubble lock twist. Okay. Followed by a 2-finger bubble. Followed by a 2-finger bubble. And break off the extra. Okay, with that said, you just position it however you want to position it, and thus giving you the tail. Okay, so this would be a different alternative to this. They're both approximately the same distance and length, just this one's simpler to create, or it takes less time to create, not really simpler. This way. Bear with me as I unwrap my mermaid. Okay, I just took off her tail and we'll add her new tail. And all I'm doing is pulling on the knotted end and tucking it in. Then we'll just wrap her around the ear twist. And yes, I am splitting the ear twist apart in order to get her to go around because she's already created. So if you wanted her to sit flat like this, you could. If you wanted her to have more of an arc, you just turn her like so. Or if you just wanted her to be able to swim, you would just adjust the 2 ear twists at the top. Wow. There we go. And that would be our mermaid with her new tail. Okay, so again, we're doing bubble guppies on Monday. This is the bubble guppy tail versus my standard mermaid tail, which is simple for anybody to create. Actually, this one's simple too. Once you learn the basics of balloon twisting, they're all simple. Okay. So thanks for joining us for Thursday's video. If you like this video, please like the button down below. Click subscribe if you like our channel and you want to see more of our balloon twisting and keep up to date. Share, comment, and let me know what you think. We're going to be starting a new series on Tuesdays, and it's going to be a twister challenge. I'm going to put together some pieces. And I'm not going to tell you how they go together. I'm just going to make little pieces and say, okay, what would you get if you put all these together? And we'll see what you guys come up with from there, okay? So that starts on Tuesdays. Monday we're doing bubble guppies, and today was Thursday, so have a great one. Enjoy. Take care. Bye.